That's funny, that's good.
Oh my gosh, you guys, really? Put the phones away.
Why?
Because
it's fine. It's storming outside. We should be at home anyways, but instead of working on the stupid TSA.
TSA's in 2 days. How is it stupid? Do you guys want to go to state?
Why are we still here? This storm is crazy.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Guys, it's state. Do you guys not care about it? Okay, everybody put your phones over here.
You kidding me? It's just TSA.
Really? Just TSA. Just TSA.
No,
phones on the table. Right, thanks, guys. Now let's actually get some work done.
Okay. Jace, how does this look?
It's like a
What was that?
Storm has gotten worse. I'm here to check the lights. You guys better stay.
All right, you guys. That guy gives me the creeps.
Yeah, let's go home. No kidding. Let's go
We
home.
gotta get out of here.
We can't. He just said we cannot leave.
I'm gonna call my mom, guys.
Good idea. Hurry up.
Good thinking. Go ahead.
Where'd you put my phone?
What do you mean?
They're not there.
Yeah, right. They gotta be there.
No.
They were sitting right there.
Not.
You take them.
Is this some kind of joke?
Why would I take that?
It's your fault.
Prank on us?
It's your fault.
No, that's
You
not
told us
funny.
to put the
Okay.
phones there.
No, it was not me.
The janitor?
The janitor
Which
probably
janitor?
took it.
How do you
Yeah.
go find the janitor?
Why should I have to find the
Because you
janitor?
told us to put our phones there.
Gosh, fine. I'll be right back.
What a stupid prank. Why would you even do that?
No idea.
We need to go home.
I know. I really gotta go to the bathroom though, so I'll be right back.
Okay, hurry up.
I was just coming to see if you had my phone. We were kind of looking for it. We need to call our parents and let them know. What the?
We really need to go look for them. They've been gone a long time.
You go look. I'm busy.
Paper, rock, scissors?
Fine. Go look.
I'll be back. Whoa, chill.
Sorry, I freaked out. I'm by myself.
Where's Jensen Corey?
I don't know. They went to go find a phone.
Well, I think Corey went to the janitor's office. Maybe we should go check it out.
All right, that's a good idea. Hello? Anybody here?
Can we get our phones back? Our parents are probably
Janitor?
worried.
Hello? What is this? This is Corey. Corey. He's dead.
Oh my god.
What's that noise? I think he's coming back. Come on, he's coming! Oh crap, what is that? Turn on the light, Jace! No, please, no! Ah!
Help! The janitor! He's going crazy! Come to the school immediately!
Get out! What did I do? You're under arrest for the murder of 3 innocent school children. I didn't do anything. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you do, can, or say will be used against the court of law. I didn't do anything. Tony, I didn't murder any kids.
You want to ride home? Storm cleared up.
I just really want to be with my family. I'll go by myself.
Okay. Have a good night. Be safe.